Welcome back to Tiger Bites. It has been a very long time and I'm so happy to be doing this again. So we're gonna eat the first Thai dish I've ever had, which is yellow curry. But I had it with shrimp, but we're gonna do it with chicken today. So I got chicken. I got onion, lime, broccoli, garlic, carrot, potato, cilantro, ground ginger, coconut condensed milk, oyster sauce, yellow curry paste, tamarind, coconut sugar, and cornstarch. I got rice on the cooker, and let's get into this right now. Right now I'm just dicing up the chicken in the cubes. So when I throw it in, it cooks just a little faster. So you're gonna pretty much cook everything like I had the onions, you know, with the oil. They get translucent. Then you add the rest of the veggies and chicken. You cook for like 3 or 4 minutes. And don't worry, I'm going to post all the ingredients and measurements down in the description of this video. So you'll have everything you need. So I ended up getting Indian tamarind paste instead of Thai because I couldn't find Thai at the time. So I'm just going to take like a teaspoon and I'm going to put it in diluted water. And I'm going to dilute it because it really is like more tangy than Thai paste. Just like that. You're going to add about 4 to 6 tablespoons of curry paste. I'm doing it by eye, but you might want to measure it. Start with 4 and see how it goes. You can always add it later. So, just squeezing it out of here. So I added the curry paste. I'm going to add the tamarind. I'm going to mix. And then we're going to go ahead and add like 2 teaspoons worth of ginger. Continue to mix. Garlic. We're going to get the lime juice in there. Right now I'm just going to do about a squeeze of lime. We'll add the rest later. Give it a good mix. Alright, let's get this coconut milk in there. And turn down the heat just a little. Like I said, everything will be in the description. Come on, baby. Woo! Woo! She exploded! So I'm using 2.5 cans of the coconut condensed milk, and I'm putting 3 teaspoons of cornstarch into a half can of the coconut condensed milk. Because what you're gonna want to do is create a little bit of a slurry. Give her a good mix, make sure it mixes very well. Let's add in this slurry. Just like that. Now, I really need a wok. So if someone wants to buy me a wok, go for it. No, I'll get one soon. And it will make life way easier. But this is gonna thicken up our curry just a little bit. We are then going to let this cook for about 30 minutes. 2 tablespoons of sugar. I am using coconut sugar. It's like made for this dish. And we will add that oyster sauce the last 5 minutes of cooking. I'm now going to add like few tablespoons of oyster sauce. Now, usually you use fish sauce, but this is all I have in my fridge, so this is what's going in here. And it works. Let's get this show on the road. Look at the color of this curry. And I'm telling you right now, it already looks amazing. Beautiful. Whew, it's hot in here. Anyway, we got our curry set and ready to rock. I'm gonna garnish it with a little lime. Get a little juice on there. And then I'm gonna put a little cilantro on top. And let's take a delicious bite, shall we? Let's go. Let's get a piece of chicken in there. Hot! Oh my. Wow. This came out really spectacular. I will leave the ingredients below in the description, and y'all adjust how you want it for your flavor. But this came out beautiful. It tastes just like a restaurant and at a nice Thai place. So, yeah. Here we are. Tiger bites. Get you some, baby. Good to see y'all again. Thanks for watching.